I can't trust none of these bitches, young nigga too important. Spin a bin on a nigga, make it rain like a forest. Holding shooting like a stick in the Gen 5 and the torch. No, we ride with young niggas, they be sliding, they be scoring.
When we slide, bitch, we scope. Who outside? They call foe. He was capping on the net till them hollows hit his throat. I was walking through Central with that bitch up in my coat, doing all that sneak dissing. Have my youngins at your door.
Have my youngins at your door, we get that bag that's on the floor. Back in, baby, get finessing if that trap moving slow. Know that 50 shot corrected, put a drum on that pole. If you think I'm going broke, that nigga dumb, boy, he slow.
I told that bitch she was basic. Just gave me turkey at the trap in the motherfucking base. You niggas need to just face it. We ain't playing pity games, we pull up and face shit. You say you trap, so what the fuck we taking? I don't give a fuck who you know, nigga, what is you saying? We stay OT on vacation, still handle business, but your bitch wanna stay, so we stayin'.
Yeah, we stayin', finna parlay at your bitch crib. Remember Ryan Dirty had the sig on the fucking ship. Bro, them had that bitch under the city, put it in the crib. Real back in, baby, having motion, nigga, that's how I live.
SRT, Taliban, beat the fucking game. We don't never play with these niggas, we let bullets rain. Have a nigga swerving all through traffic, switching hella lanes. Niggas steady losing all they brothers just for fucking fame. On nobody, he a Rudy, he a fucking stain. Heard he got that dog shit, lil' bro, that's a diaper change. Free A-Wall, free Texas out that fucking cave. We'll go to war with anybody, long little kid.
If he think that I'm a bitch, boy, that nigga poppin' by. I cut a nigga water off like I'm Lamar. Call me Jeff Luciano, that little bitch think I'm a star. Call that Draco Jimi Hendrix, that bitch ain't like a guitar. Rollin' cookie and gelato, smoking pressure at the job. Put a 30 in the glizzy, I put curry in the jar. Windows 10 and 5% and you can't see up in the car. Boy, your homie, a lieutenant, heard he talking to the cops.
Car phones in traffic, know the 50, flip this whip. Don't gotta make a move, just T-load the whole crib. Smoking half the hills out this fucking zip. Short dog, 216 and some motherfucking trim. And for the head, man, fuck an attempt. Standing over mass, nigga, I'ma fuck up your brim. 3 to the head, 1 to the chest, if you with them. You can't get the fucking glitchy, boy, you gon' get the stem.